Hey, hi, hello, what is up? It is me, Linnea, and I'm back. I think I missed two uploads, but that's okay. That's okay. I was on my big cross-country trip with my friend Jane, who came here from England. We went from St. Louis all the way to LA, which was almost 3,500 miles that we drove and explored. And if any of you ever get the opportunity to do a road trip across the country, I highly recommend it. It was the trip of a lifetime. It was really fun. But anyway, I missed everyone. I missed filming. I feel like it's probably been 2 weeks or more since I've made a video, because I did pre-record the ones that uploaded while I was gone. But anyway, today's video is a coconut cream pie. I never made a coconut cream pie before. I don't even know if I've really tasted a coconut cream pie. But the reason I'm making it is because I'm a terrible friend. I'm not a terrible friend, but I missed one of my very best friend's birthdays. I mean, I was still in town. It was like the day before I left for my trip. So I missed her birthday, and I decided once I got back that I would make her a pie. She may have preferred a cake, I don't know, but I just know that she loves coconut. She's obsessed with coconut. Ever since we went to college together, we were roommates. I remember one time, very specifically, she came home from an internship and she brought us a box of donuts, and she sat there and she munched on, I don't know how many toasted coconut donuts. So she loves coconut. And so I thought maybe I would make her a coconut cream pie for her birthday. So that is what we're doing in this video. If you guys want to follow along, go for it. If not, you've probably already clicked off by now. And yeah, I think that's it. If you like this, consider subscribing. If not, well, thanks for being here anyways. Anyway, let's go make this coconut cream pie. All right, in here, we're gonna put a whole can of full fat coconut milk. I don't know if you can see that. That's what I'm gonna add in here, a whole can. And then we're gonna do a cup of half and half. Now I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of regular white sugar. As well as just a little bit of salt, not a lot. We're gonna turn the heat on. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and then once it comes to a boil, we'll boil it for 2 minutes, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, now we're going to take the tempered egg mixture, and I do have a bigger whisk, but it's just what's here. I'll put it in here. I'm honestly not even sure I mentioned what this was. It was 4 egg yolks and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. That I just blended together, and then I tempered the egg mixture with a 1/2 cup of our coconut cream mix. Let me get my other whisk. Hold, please. We have to do this for another minute. So yeah, we have to do this, just stirring and whisking for the next roughly minute, and then we'll take it right off the heat. All right, I just took it off the heat. It's already pretty thick. That's a good thing. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to this. I'm gonna add a cup of chopped up shredded coconut. All right, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is optional, but I am going to add a half teaspoon of coconut extract because I have it. It did say this is optional. If you don't have it, don't go buy it. But I do have it. So we're gonna add a half teaspoon of that. Mix it up really, really well. The filling and pour it into the pie crust. I did par bake the crust. It is completely baked. It's not half baked or anything. I did completely bake it. Some holes in it, so it'll be fine. But I did not do homemade crust this time. So my friend's gonna be maybe a little sad. She probably won't even notice. But we're gonna put this in here. Nice. Well, it's nice and warm. Now, here's the part I don't exactly know what to do because it says to put plastic wrap over the top of it so it doesn't get gross. This is a non-plastic wrap household. I do not own plastic wrap. So, I'm gonna quickly research what I can use instead of plastic wrap. I have beeswax paper, parchment paper, wax paper, foil. I literally have everything but plastic wrap. So, we're gonna figure it out. All right, it did say I can use parchment paper. So, here goes. We're just gonna parchment paper the top of it. And then we're gonna put this directly in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. So, that's that. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, in here I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. It says you can do powdered sugar or regular granulated sugar. We're going just regular white sugar because I don't want to get my powdered sugar out because I'm lazy. And then we're gonna do 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm not measuring because I never do. And then we're just gonna whip it all together. Right, this has been in the fridge overnight, so let's see what she looks like. Looks pretty good. Parchment paper worked well where it's stuck. There's like a little bit of like kind of yeah, it's fine. Now I'm just gonna, it says you can pipe it, but like I'm not fancy, so this is how we're gonna do it. I am the least fancy human. You know, if Jonathan were in here, he would be making this look absolutely perfect. Again, that's not my style. My style is rustic. Because, you know, we're all just going to eat it anyways. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to let this sit in the fridge until I bring it to my friend tonight. I probably will cut a piece out of it so Jonathan can try it for everyone. And when I give it to her, there's just going to be a piece taken out of it. Happy birthday! Here's your almost full pie. So, that is the pie. That is what she looks like. Just, honestly, it looks like a mound of whipped cream, but it is what it is. What did you just say?
Somewhere to eat them?
Yeah, I took a bite to tell you that it's really good. I don't know if you'll like it, though. Because you're not a huge coconut guy.
I'm good. Like,
I think it's honestly really good for a coconut dish.
I know it's a Pillsbury crust, but it's still really good.
It is a Pillsbury crust, yes.
The whipped cream is perfect. The custard's really good. But yeah, I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of
coconut. No, he's really not. He says it tastes like sunscreen. I don't think this tastes like sunscreen.
It's alright. It's got a coconut flavor. It's fine like that. But yeah, I don't love like the strandiness of coconut.
Oh, see, I could have just like taken that out. I mean, like if you really want, like if I wanted to make it for you, I wouldn't have to add the coconut flakes. I could just add coconut extract.
That would be fine, I think.
But I made it for Kathy. She loves coconut. So yeah, I mean, I guess if you don't like the texture of coconut, you could take the flakes out and leave the coconut extract, and I think it would be good.
I need another piece.
Well, you probably won't get another piece because I'm taking the whole pie minus that piece. I know. This man said I needed to make him a key lime pie. You just did. You just said it.
I'm just saying for, you know, you gotta make all these different pies.
I should just start a whole ass pie series. I mean, I kind of have, but yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah, I think it's really good. I honestly would make it for us, but I don't.
I'm like,
obviously you like it because you're picking at it.
Well, no, I'm saying like, I like crust. I really like the crust.
Yeah.
I'm just saying like, obviously not as good as your crust, but for like the ease of it. It's really good.
Well, I always make sure to get the Pillsbury crust.
Yeah,
I have learned not to buy the other one, especially the Trader Joe's one. That one is crap. It doesn't even roll out.
You know, their stuff is kind of like either it's really good or it's really bad.
Yeah.
You know what? Their pizza.
Yeah, their pizza. No, their pizza dough is fine. Maybe not on the uni, but anyway.
Yeah.
You don't know what's funny also is you say you like the crust. When I fed Weston the pumpkin pie when we were there over whatever, that child ate the crust first, which I find weird because he's picky. But yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, that's really good pie. Even though I don't like love coconut, it's really good.
Yep. All right.
I'd eat another piece.
Well, maybe I'll bring another piece home. I don't know. Just depends.
I'm just saying, like, it's that good. I would eat another piece.
The next video was Jonathan's idea, and it's going to be bread bowls. Sourdough bread bowls for soup. So that's going to be the next video. So you will see Jonathan in the next video. Okay. You want to tell them bye?
Bye!